Okay, property managers, board members, I want to talk about properly installing a tree. Sometimes people don't even ask. Guys come out, they just throw it in the ground. There's a right and a wrong way to do it. So as you can see here, the tree is mounded up a little bit, so it's up nice and high. One of the worst things you can do is plant a tree too deep. The water will sit down in it, it'll drown it, and it will die. You always want to build a little bit of a mulch volcano around the tree and get yourself a bubbler. There's got to be a bubbler. These trees need a lot of water for the first 30 days. And if you build kind of a little bit of a trough here, then the water will hold in the trough and sink down and stay around the roots. You got to keep it wet while it's forming all of those new roots. Always put a strapping system on here. Be careful not to tie it too tight. You want it to be stable, but at the same time, you don't want it to be choking the tree, okay? So you have your 3 points. A little bit of white PVC on the end here. This is for the weed whackers and the edgers when they come by so they don't cut the straps. It's nice and secure. You can pull this pole out of here. You're always going to see these poles that come with the trees. Remember to remove them. And any tiny tape that you see, this little plastic here, these things too, they get left on, and then next thing you know, they choke out the trees, okay? So nice set of mulch as well. Mulch again helps keep moisture in the ground, helps keep competing weeds out, and it also helps you to build that volcano to keep water. Take a look through the tree, make sure no branches are crossing or rubbing. If they are, then you want to make a decision to remove some of those branches. And you don't really need any fertilizer or anything like that in the beginning. Water, water, water. And then, very important, come back periodically and make sure that these are not getting too tight. As soon as they're starting to get tight and the tree is feeling stable, you need to remove them. Sometimes it's 3 months, sometimes it's 6 months. But I see all the time they get left, they choke out the tree. Sometimes they can get pinched and you can't get them out and it damages the tree. Thank you.